The truth about tire brands. The 11 best and 3 you must avoid every year. Over 33,000 crashes are linked directly to tire failure. That means the brand on your wheels isn't just a financial decision, it's a life or death one. Today, I'm breaking down the 11 best tire brands on the market right now, ranked from impressive to absolutely dominant. And at the end, I'll expose 3 brands you need to stay far away from. Let's get into it. Welcome back to Car Care Fix, the channel where we uncover hidden car problems, simple maintenance tricks, and money-saving tips every driver should know. 11. Falken. Racing DNA. Street-ready Falken was created by Sumitomo to be a premium performance brand. Think of it like Lexus is to Toyota. And just like Lexus, Falken has actually surpassed its parent in many ways. Their tires use silica-enriched rubber compounds that boost grip and durability in both wet and dry conditions. Their signature 3D canyon sipe technology makes them exceptional in snow, while their heat diffuser system prevents the kind of highway blowouts that catch drivers completely off guard. Falken is now an OEM supplier for Porsche and Jeep, and they back their products with solid tread life warranties. Yes, they're priced at a premium, but they're still cheaper than one brand on our worst list. 10. Cooper. American durability. Without the American price tag, Cooper tires, based in Ohio, caught the attention of Goodyear, which acquired the company in 2021 specifically for its ability to produce high-performing tires at accessible prices. Cooper's standout innovation is the Wear Square, a visual indicator built into the tread that tells you the condition of your alignment, suspension, and rotation schedule at a glance. Like Falken, they use a high silica rubber mix for year-round performance. I've personally seen Cooper tires come in at 70,000 miles with sidewalls still fully intact. Their 6-year tread wear warranty is among the most generous in the mid-tier segment, making them the go-to for truck and SUV owners who want durability without overspending. Tituin. Yokohama. The premium underdog JD. Power's 2025 OE Tire Satisfaction Survey ranked Yokohama second in the passenger car segment, ahead of Pirelli, Bridgestone, Continental, and even Michelin. Their secret weapon is orange oil. It sounds unusual, but it chemically strengthens the bond between natural and synthetic rubber, creating a compound that stays tacky and responsive even in freezing temperatures. No other brand has perfected this technique. Yokohama's Advan range serves as OE on Mercedes, BMW, Audi, and Porsche. Even their budget Blue Earth line delivers quiet, fuel-efficient performance. You always get more than you pay for with Yokohama. 8. BFGoodrich. Legendary sidewalls founded in Ohio in 1870. BFGoodrich is the oldest tire manufacturer in North America and the first to produce radial tires commercially. Their off-road KO2 line features sidewall rubber that is nearly twice as thick as industry standard, based directly on Baja Desert racing technology. These tires self-clean, ejecting mud and debris through aggressive tread channels to maintain constant traction. Their on-road performance is equally impressive, with advanced compounds that grip confidently in wet and dry conditions. The one limitation is range. BFGoodrich doesn't cover every vehicle type. That's where the next brand dominates. Hankook. The global performer, Hankook is the world's 6th largest tire manufacturer and one of the most underrated. Over more than 80 years, they've built a reputation for exceptional quality control backed by intensive R&D. In Consumer Reports' most recent testing, Hankook topped the rankings for EV tires, outperforming Bridgestone, Continental, and Pirelli in multiple categories. They supply OE tires to BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Audi, Porsche, Tesla, Rivian, Volkswagen, and over a dozen other manufacturers. Despite delivering near-premium performance, Hankook tires are priced roughly 60% less than Michelin. That gap is almost impossible to justify once you've driven on them. 6. Pirelli. Formula One in your driveway. Since 2011, Pirelli has been the exclusive tire supplier for Formula One, and that racing technology filters directly into their consumer range. Their P0 compound uses functionalized smart polymers and nanocomposites that physically change behavior based on load. Cruising on the highway? Low rolling resistance saves fuel. Pushing through corners? The polymers stiffen to maximize stability and grip. Their noise-canceling system and run-flat technology make them an exceptional luxury choice. The one drawback: high-performance variants like the P0 can wear out in as little as 30,000 miles, which makes them expensive to maintain long-term. Bridgestone, the long game champion. Bridgestone is currently the most expensive brand in several categories, including all-season SUV and performance winter tires. But their 80,000-mile treadwear warranties reframe that cost entirely. By the time you replace a set of Bridgestones, you might have gone through 3 sets of Pirelli or 5 sets of budget tires. Their Nano Pro-Tech compound, derived from Formula One and Le Mans engineering, adjusts rubber behavior at the molecular level based on driving conditions, delivering superior grip, lower rolling resistance, and outstanding heat management. Their DriveGuard run-flat technology allows you to drive up to 50 miles with zero air pressure without losing steering control. For the second largest tire manufacturer in the world, they've remained remarkably focused on quality. 4. Vredestein. The hidden gem most drivers can't even pronounce this brand. Yet professional mechanics have trusted it for decades. The Dutch manufacturer skipped marketing budgets in favor of engineering investment, and it paid off. Consumer Reports ranked Vredestein 3rd overall among tire brands for 2026. Their Quatrack Pro and High-Track all-season tires scored among the best individual tires tested on Tire Rack. All 7 Vredestein models evaluated by Consumer Reports received the recommended rating. They're built for the luxury segment, but priced competitively for everyday drivers, featuring noise-optimized sidewalls and eye-catching designs. The only limitation is a narrower lineup for standard passenger vehicles. Continental. Relentless German innovation, Continental never stops. Despite being one of the largest tire companies in the world, they continue innovating at a pace that smaller brands can't match. Their lineup is so expansive that virtually every driver can find the right fit. Consumer Reports named their Terrain Contact the best all-terrain and best all-season truck tire for 2026, with their ultra-high performance tires ranking 2nd overall. Their Conti Seal technology self-seals punctures up to 5 mm instantly while you continue driving. Traction Plus delivers confident handling in snow, rain, and summer heat, while their yellow and green chili rubber compounds extend mileage even on rough terrain. Continental ranked 2nd among all tire brands in Consumer Reports' 2026 report. Goodyear, America's master, founded in 1898. Goodyear is the most recognized tire brand in America for good reason. They hold Formula One records for the most starts, wins, and constructors' championships of any tire supplier in history. Today, they are the sole tire supplier for NASCAR. Goodyear makes tires for everything: passenger cars, aviation, recreational vehicles, and heavy machinery, and each category informs the other. Their tires incorporate DuPont Kevlar reinforcement, providing 35% better puncture resistance than conventional construction. In J.D. Power's most recent survey, Goodyear ranked 1st in the luxury and passenger car segments. For budget-conscious buyers, Goodyear also owns Cooper and Douglas, making it one of the most accessible premium brands in the market. Michelin, the undisputed king. There was never really any debate. Michelin is the world's largest tire company by sales, and the most consistently excellent brand across every category. Consumer Reports tested 8 Michelin models for their 2026 report. All 8 received the recommended badge, and all 8 ranked at or near the top of their respective categories. What sets Michelin apart is their EverGrip technology. As the tire wears down, the grooves actually widen to maintain water evacuation and wet weather grip, something no other manufacturer has matched. A combination of high silica compounds and sunflower oil keeps the rubber pliable for years. I've seen Michelin tires at 7 years old with 0 cracking. Their Defender line can reach 80,000 miles and still outperform brand new budget tires. If you want to buy a set of tires and never second-guess the decision, Michelin is the answer. The 3 brands to avoid. 3. Fortune. False economy. Fortune tires are cheap and they perform exactly like it. Made by Prince Chengshan in China, they regularly skip wet grip and snow testing. Their rubber quality is questionable and their claimed 45,000-mile warranty is nearly impossible to claim. They routinely blame failures on road conditions and driver behavior, even when the defect is clearly in the product. Multiple customers have reported blowouts within the first year of purchase. At any price, that's not a deal, it's a liability. 2. Accelera. A warranty that means nothing. The Indonesian brand attracts buyers with a 30,000-mile warranty and a sub-$60 price point. In practice, most sets don't last half that distance. Dealers in many regions have quietly reduced the warranty to a single year. The most dangerous aspect of Accelera tires is their wet weather performance, or complete absence of it. At speeds as low as 30 mph in rain, drivers report complete loss of traction. That's not a performance compromise. That's a safety failure. 1. Firestone. The brand you can't count on. Firestone was once a trusted American name. Since Bridgestone's acquisition, it has never fully recovered. The Ford Explorer recalls of the late 1990s where Firestone tires experienced catastrophic tread separation at highway speeds, resulted in over 2.5 million tire recalls and a pattern of denied responsibility that damaged the brand permanently. More recently, Bridgestone shifted some Firestone production to China, a move they have since reversed. The result is a brand where quality is inconsistent and the price doesn't reflect the risk. With alternatives like BFGoodrich, Cooper, Vredestein, and Falken available at similar or lower price points, there's simply no reason to gamble on Firestone. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Car Care Fix, and turn on notifications so you never miss another car-saving tip. Thanks for watching, drive safe, take care of your ride, and we'll see you in the next video right here on Car Care Fix.